Welcome back to CEO School, where I help you to thrive with a fun and flexible business you love. All right, in today's video, I'm talking to you about Module 3, designing a shopfront that sells. In other words, your website. So your website is your shopfront, and by default, it becomes a member of your sales team. It's that first impression your clients have of you, and it has to be a good and lasting one. Functionality is key. You can have the prettiest site in the world, but that means nothing if it's slow to load, if it's difficult to navigate, if it's not optimized for mobile devices. And don't even get me started on opt-ins and lead magnets. Now, things change quickly in the world of web design, and you need to know how to edit, how to make simple changes, and ensure your site is kicking ass for you. So this module is going to give you the knowledge you need to up that skill level and really help you to stay up to date in a very fast-paced world of technology, but without frying your brain. You'll know what plugins you need, how to make updates, and which platforms are the best for creative entrepreneurs without becoming a website nerd. And it will ensure your website is the most effective tool in your toolkit. You'll also learn how to turn your website into a one-woman marketing machine by creating really irresistible offers that visitors to your site simply won't be able to refuse. So, are you ready to become a website ninja with me and get your website working for you instead of against you? I hope so, because I would love to see you there and start helping you to take your creative business to that next level.